Now, Allah says, lawful to you is all water game and whatever food the sea brings forth, as a provision for you and for travelers. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, water game refers to what we fish, and the food refers to what the sea washes off. This means that seafood does not require slaughtering. So whatever you fish and you grab, you can cook and eat. No need to slaughter. Not only that, whatever dead fish you find floating on the water, which you did not fish, it died by itself, or it was eaten by another shark, you can consume that as well, providing it does not harm you to do so. And the hadith, well-known hadith, that a group of people came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, "O Prophet of Allah, we travel by sea and we carry with us little water. If we are to use that water for ablution, we will run out of water and become thirsty. Can we do our ablution with seawater?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "The seawater is pure and its dead animals are lawful to eat." This hadith here in our book, it says Abu Hurairah. Maybe there is another narration. I remember it since very long time that it is narrated by Ibn Abbas, but it can be two narrations, I'm not sure. So the hadith was about water. Again, the Prophet ﷺ tells us how a wise man would respond to such questions. Imagine the Prophet ﷺ did not answer the question about water, that yes, you can use seawater to perform ablution, but because they travel at sea, so he gave them an extra beneficial information, so that if it crossed their mind while they are at sea, they would remember that the Prophet gave them the solution. So he said to them, and the dead animals are lawful to eat, meaning the fish you find floating or on the shores, you can use that and eat that. So this is the first category of halal food, generally speaking, which is seafood. Anything that lives in the sea, snails, oysters, calamari, squid, all of these are halal to consume and to eat.